The qualifications of a candidate for Attorney General must be equivalent to? Options are A. A judge of High Court. B. A judge of Supreme Court. C. A minimum practice of 10 years in High Courts. D. A minimum practice of 10 years in Supreme Court. Correct answer is B. A judge of Supreme Court. Fourth schedule of Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? Options are A. Panchayat Raj system. B. Scheduled tribes. C. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. D. Anti-defection law. Correct answer is C. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. By which of the following acts the system of diarchy was introduced at the center? Options are A. 1909. B. 1919. C. 1935. D. 1947. Correct answer is C. 1935. How many fundamental rights were granted initially? Options are A. 6. B. 7. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is B. 7. In India, how many times has the President declared financial emergency? Options are A. Once. B. Never. C. Thrice. D. Twice. Correct answer is B. Never. Which committee is described as the twin sister of the Estimates Committee? Options are A. Public Accounts Committee. B. Committee on Public Undertakings. C. Departmental Standing Committee. D. Privilege Committee. Correct answer is A. Public Accounts Committee. In Parliament, who takes the final decision on whether a bill is a money bill or not? Options are A. Vice President. B. Speaker. C. Finance Minister. D. Prime Minister. Correct answer is B. Speaker. Which article of the Constitution deals with fundamental duties? Options are A. Article 30A. B. Article 50. C. Article 51A. D. Article 25. Correct answer is C. Article 51A. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Options are A. Article 18. B. Article 15. C. Article 14. D. Article 17. Correct answer is D. Article 17. The governor of the state can be removed by which one of the following? Options are A. Chief Minister. B. Prime Minister. C. Union Home Minister. D. President. Correct answer is D. President. Elections in India for Parliament and state legislatures are conducted by. Options are A. President. B. State Election Commission. C. Governor. D. Election Commission of India. Correct answer D. Election Commission of India. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha is. Options are A. 54. B. 74. C. 84. D. 94. Correct answer is C. 84. Which articles in the Constitution give provisions for the electoral system in our country? Options are A. Articles 124 to 128. B. Articles 324 to 329. C. Articles 256 to 259. D. Articles 274 to 279. Correct answer is B. Articles 324 to 329. Directive Principles of State Policy is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Options are A. Part 1. B. Part 6. C. Part 8. D. Part 4. Correct answer is D. Part 4. Indian Constitution took the concept of single citizenship from which country? Options are A. USA. B. UK. C. Australia. D. Japan. Correct answer is B. UK.